Hello, welcome to this finance data project getting stock price and plot it video. In this video I'm going to present about using Pandas inbuilt library how to get the stock price. Once you get the stock price using we have to generate the multi-level index. Then I generated the heat map and cluster map. Using this different kind of analysis, we will get the information. Should I have done this? No. Pair plot, this plot. Yes, I done this. Yeah, this is the overall summary about what I have done. So I will explain about everything: heat map, cluster map, and cufflinks, interactive plots, and that normal cross section plots to derive from the multi-level index. These are and pair plot, the normal things. These are the things I am going to explain in this video, so please have an eye on this. Before that, let me explain about the documents what I have prepared. The first point already I have mentioned, that the information, the stock price, I am going to get it from the Yahoo Finance, and for that we need to specially install the Pandas library. It's not a library, it is some directory library we need to install. Once I have fetched this information, I have to store into a specific variable. Then I have to plot it using Pandas library. Then I have to I am going to fetch the 3 stock price value. This is I'm just explained theoretical. You will get it clear information when I'm going to derive it. So once have done this, using cross function, we have to choose the column. For make the cross function, the main purpose of to do this is to generate the multi-level index. It would look like every stock price it is having opening price, closing price, and volume, and it's look like this. Better I will show this. It will high price, low price, open, close, volume. It look like this. Using this information, 3 stock price I am getting. So 3 stock price it is having 4 plus 4 plus 4. Then after this 4 stock price, I am going to combine using using there is some stock columns. Using stocks columns I will combine, and also PD concord. That is one more important thing. PD concord I will combine everything, and once I have combined it, finally I will get a heat map and cluster map. And these things I'll combine it, and once I have done this, I'll get a heat map and cluster map. This is the pair plot, and this is once this is also, let me explain. This is I am explaining. This is a correlation. This is the cluster map. This is the correlation heat map. This is what the remaining things, everything, it's a normal chart, how it will be that growth happens between on the different levels. This is what I'm explaining here. And also to get this information, the main important things we need to do here, we need to fetch the data, and we need to plot it. We need to concordinate, and to concatenate we need to create the stock columns, because 3 stock columns, since it's a multi-level index, it does have a multiple row or multiple column. In our case it is having multiple column, so I am creating columns and row and extra column and extra specific row, and using that it will be used in the cross section function. Let me explain so that you will get a clear understanding. This is for the same purpose, and also I have identified the return values. Return values is there is one more inbuilt function is there. That function name is, okay, let plot it using cross section. Okay, let me put one more column here. I am using pd.concat to combine all the gathered stock price. That's good. And once it's done, and what are the things getting, it's a combine. And for return and also this is finished. So using this concat and one more thing, to create a multi-level index, I am declaring one more stocks column, so that I will get a clear multi-level index. This is not needed. And also using data frames calculator, and once I have done this, then I am going to PCT change. Using PCT change, I am trying to find out the return value. The return value, the stock price, it will compare the close price on the present day with the previous day, and if it is positive mean it indicate benefit, if it is negative mean it is loss. That's why we can compare. So this return value I can get it using pd concat. If it is positive, it is the benefit. If it is negative, it is the loss. That's how. So no, it's not a pd concat, it is a pct underscore change. This is the inbuilt function which will automatically do. So I will make something different. That's how it will work. And remaining things, basic things, the document you may get it. So what I have explained, let me explain what I have done in my lab. Okay, just I'm going on the first for finance project. Just go through, read it, and then get the 3 stock price using concurrent connect. It will become multi-level index. Multiple row or column will get. In our stage we will having multiple column. It is having stock, and here below all the prices will become, and the cross section will be. So I am declaring necessary pandas library, pandas and underscore data reader and cbond matplotlib, and stock price. What is the start price I need to start, and end price. And using this BAC, this is a Bank of America, right? Bank of America, I'm getting fetch the information. Then DF Google stock price I'm getting, JPM information I'm getting. Then this is the stock price. Then I'm plotting. Then I'm combining all the values, and to combine all the values I have to give the column name. This is very important, or else you may think about why I am declaring this. Stock column is back, Google, JPM. So I am declaring pd.concord df Google df JPM axis equal to 1, key is equal to stock underscore column. Then I'm going to the next level, stock value and stock info. Just keep in this mind, this is I hope it will be used in the for loop. In our case it's not used. To create the multi-level index, we need to specify where is the stock value and stock information. It will come, that is I'm declaring here stock column name. See here, stock value and stock info. So that's how I am declaring. So stocks, I have concatenate all the 3 stock with the x-axis. Once combined, then I have given the columns names. I have given stock values and stock info. Once I have done this, using for loop, which already stock columns in the list, I have declared the 3 stock price. I am getting the close max price. The same thing we can, since it's a multi-level index, we can get it through cross function also. If you are not familiar with cross function, please refer the in website or Google. You will get the clear information, and from here you will get the close price, axis 1 of all the stock, and the level is stock info, which mean close price, x-axis and the stock info. So all the close price from back Google JPM, it will get and store it here, and maximum price it will be noted out here. And if we want, then this is how it will be worked. So finally we can come on the close price and max and everything will get it. And then we need to find the return value. Return value indicates stock price benefit. If it positive, it benefits, stock price is benefit. If it is negative, it is negative, it is loss. It does actually compare the value of previous day, which is already mentioned. So for that we need to use the simple 1-line code. We will get the information, and or else, and to store this information into all the information I have declared in bd.data frame, and stock columns, which I specify 3 stocks, and storing the close price into the each data frame. Finally I'll get it like this. So then finally I'm putting pair plot, then returning ID max, ID min, then standard deviation, everything get. Because what is the reason I'm main purpose is when is the less price it hit on the return price. For example here, when is the less price, returns everything on the same day. Here also everything on the same day. Standard deviation also If standard deviation is less, then the risk is very low. See here, I have mentioned here because highest risk is Google, less risk is Google. That's how we can easily conclude. And using coupling or plot all the stock price. And couplings, it's used to generate the interactive plots, so I'm going to generate it here. And axis 1 plot, stock info and I plot, stock level info I'm generating now. Close axis stock info. Next also I am generating. That's done. Then cross function, close axis 1 level stock info, correlative. Close I plot also I am generating here. This is close and stock information. This is also close. I don't know. This is normal plot. This is interactive plot. If you want to zoom anything, you can zoom, or else you come to normal level. That's how it will work. And this is also the same thing. And this is the heat map with the correlative information. It's really correlative because stocks underscore close when since it is heat map. Yes, okay, heat map is, let me explain, that is also to identify the relationship between the two columns, between the two stock. For example, if it is 1, it is very close between one another. BAC and JPM very close. Google and JPM is 0.75. 0.75 is less close, and dark, it indicates is a very close relationship. And the stock close price, if it is this is also the cluster heat map. That's how we can finally conclude. This is just I am put cluster heat map. And finally, this is candle. Actually, I'm not sure why it's not working. Using candle, how we are identifying the return value, the specific day, whether that stock price is benefited for the stakeholders or reduced for stakeholder. The same way we can identify this price, it is increased for stakeholder or reduced for stakeholder, we can easily get it. If the missing columns, I'm not sure why I'm getting this error message. It's open, high, low, close. I'm getting this error message. If it is in this case, it should look like this. If it is red, mean the price go down. If it is green, mean it is increased. That's how we can easily conclude, and we will get a clear picture about that. And as remaining things I need to explain. In the for loop, we can generate in the two way. For loop, we need to specify the how many times it needs to be repeated. For that, we can use the range. Example, in a shell script, we can use the range, and in Python, we can use the list. And every loop with the iteration must get the string. That's it. And the please, I'll refer this document. The important thing I'll explain what is correlation. The correlation is used to identify the relationship between two columns. If it is less than 0.5 relationship, it is less. If it is higher than 0.5 between two relationship, is very close. Using correlation seaborn, we can easily create a heat map. That's how it will be work. And if you have any question, you can ask to me, write to me back. Thank you. Thanks for watching.